Okay.
Okay, we couldn't start it. Can
Okay.
start.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. A very good day to all of you. My name is Abdullah Nahid. Today we are here to present our HCI evaluation and prototype improvement for SEC 4423 real-time software engineering. In our group we have Shah Zaman Kaif, Ammar Harith bin Muhammad Hidayat, Muhammad Azim bin Adanan, and Muhammad Muaz Arshad. So moving towards the next slides. For today's presentation agenda, we have introduction to the selected UC system, problem identification and user context, UC architecture and smart DEI explanation, requirement and interaction analysis, HCI evaluation findings, improved HCI prototype, and design improvements. So now I want to pass the stage to my groupmate, Mr. Shahzaman Kaif.
Okay. Now, these slides introduce the selected UC system, which is Smart Hospital Patient Monitoring System, or SHPMS. The system uses wearable sensor, IoT devices, and AI monitor to patient continuously without requiring patient interaction. It supports 24/7 monitoring, detects health problem and automatically, and is important to safety critical hospital environment. Next slide, please. The slide shows the architecture of the smart patient monitoring system. Sensors collect the patient data, the network transfer the data, and AI analyze to detect problem and send alert. The information is then shown to the doctor and nurse through the dashboard and displays for quick responses and emergencies. Okay, that's all from me.
So we evaluate this system, smart hospital system, using the AQUArIUM framework across 5 characteristics. For the first one is contact awareness, which is score 75%, which is good. The system adapt alert based on real-time vital and location, but the context granularly is still room level only. For the second one is mobility, which is score around the 60%, is moderate. It support the Wi-Fi and a BLE handoff, but the alert continuity breaks between the zone. For the third one, transparency score, which is score around the 78%, which is very good. 82% of the input are explicit, but nurses still need to manually open the app for the details. For the next is we have the attention score, which is 42%, which is weak. We have the 187 alert per nurse per day causes severe fatigue and the focus disruption. And the last one is calmness, which is called 45%, which is also weak despite well calibrated alert. 38% false positive rate is reducing nurse trust. Overall, attention and calmness are our two weakness area, and this will be the address for our improvement prototype. For next one.
Hi, today I'm going to present an improved wireframe for this nurse mobile dashboard designed to reduce alert overload and improve patient response. So first section we have is the critical alert section. Is as you can see in the red box. This section shows critical alerts immediately, such as low oxygen or high heart rate. The nurse can quickly take action using the Act Now button or temporarily delay using the snooze button. So main idea of this section will be fast decision and no delay in emergency situations. Next, moving on to the ward
Hello.
see, this grid provides in the such as green color will be normal patients, amber will be the cases. This allows nurses to understand the entire ward at a glance without needing to open each patient file separately. The main idea focusing is quick awareness and less conjugative load. Next, moving on is our smart alert bundling, which is focusing on reducing noise in the wards and focusing more towards critical cases. Next, we have activity aware context filter. This feature filters out false alarms caused by the patient movement, sometimes by mistake, they press the button, etc. etc. So the system becomes more accurate, improving in decision making and more reliable. The main idea focuses on few false alerts and better accuracy. So next we have ambient ward overview, which design flows calm technology principles where information is visible but not distracting. Nurses can monitor patient without constant interaction, and it focuses on passive awareness and less stress. Lastly, we have seamless mobility. The last section, if you can see, the system flows the nurse across different wards automatically, so no need to log in again and again, and the alerts are transferred smoothly. The main idea is to save time and support real hospital workflow. Summary, I would just say the design improves speed, accuracy, and usability, helping nurse to respond the patients faster and manage all the patients more efficiently. That's all.
Okay, thank you, Muaz. Now let's look at the concrete evidence behind our design decisions and clinically meaningful. So, this part compares the current aquarium system against our improved prototype, organized by the aquarium quality dimensions, which is attention, calmness, context awareness, transparency, and mobility. So, starting with attention, nurses in the current system receive an average of 187 alerts per nurse per day. So our prototype targets a reduction to around 75 alerts, roughly a 60% decrease. Alongside that, focus switches per shift drop from 23 actions to fewer than 8, which directly reduce cognitive interruptions during care. Moving on to calmness, the current false positive rate sits at 38%. That means more than 1 in 3 alerts is irrelevant. So our target brings that below 15%. And context awareness timing, which is currently rated very low, is redesigned to reach high, which means the system responds to situational context rather than firing indiscriminately. So on context awareness, adaptation correctness is currently at just 52%. Our improved prototype targets above 85%, meaning the system correctly tailors its behavior to the situation in nearly 9 out of 10 cases. For transparency, uh, the implicit interaction will measure how much the system communicates without requiring explicit input, jumps from 25% to over 60%. So nurses shouldn't have to ask the system what it's doing, rather than it should surface that proactively. And lastly, mobility. So handoff failures per shift drop from approximately 12 to fewer than 2. This is critical in ward environments and emergency care where care continuity depends on smooth transitions. So all of these are grounded in Aquarium's own measurement framework and ISO 9241 human-centered design principle. So that's all from our group. Thank you very much.
So